Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing our last year's Ganpati decoration. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so our theme was Bara Jyotirling and Shiva's Valley. So we started off with making the snake. So for the snake, what I did was we took a cardboard, we covered it with a tissue and then we started coloring it. The snake was of 5 mukhas. So the middle one snake was a little bigger, and then the other two were small. So in one cardboard, what we did, we drew it with pencil and then we cut it, and with the help of balan we molded the faces of the snake. So this is how it turned, and with the spray paint and acrylic paint we colored it and gave it a border of black and gray mix. So this is how it was looking, and little bit of detailing of brown color also we did. And this part is of the body, like it was going to come in the front of bappa. So it was like a tire thing, but what we call it was snake's tail, which we are painting it here. After that we started painting few white lines on the snake's skin to make it more realistic, and this is how it turned out. It was looking so real and so beautiful. Then we started making this thermocol left of last year, so what we and gave it a rectangular shape. After that we randomly started scraping those rectangle, so it would give you a nice textured stone vibe. So this is how it was looking. So what I'm doing here is I'm covering this plywood with tissue. I covered it with 2 layers of tissue for the background. So here what we were going to do, we were going to stick on the bricks which we had cut. So after that we started cutting down the trishuls and the bullocks, which were our main elements of the decoration. So we cut the trishul into two big rectangles to make it one, so it would look a very big trishul like here. Then for more traditional effects, so we did the same with the bullocks. We started drawing the outline, and with the help of the cutter we made these two bullocks, as you can see in the video. And for the very like smooth finishing, we started scrubbing it with a sandpaper so that there are no edges left, and it was looking like it was okay. Then I colored it with the same bronze color. Now here comes the main part, setting up the entire decoration. First we had to set up a mandap so that we get a support and all the decoration elements. So here our parents are helping us to set up the bamboo mandap, and what we did was we covered the entire upper part with a black cloth, which was also used in the last year's decoration. Last to last year, I don't remember, but we reused it, and I was so super happy that we are reusing the decoration thing. Then to cover up the side angles, we took a foam. I don't know what this foam is called. I will put all the details of the products whatever we have used in a description box. Don't forget to check it out, and you can also comment so that we can explain you what was the procedure. And here you can see the TV section is ready, and we started sticking on the bricks with Fevicol. Once the sticking part was over, it was time to color the bricks with gray and black spray paint. So what we did here, we sprayed the outline first, and then the remaining part we filled it with the gray spray paint, so it was looking more blackish and more realistic. So it was looking something like this, and here comes the main hustle. So with the help of iron wires, we made the snake stand straight so that it should not come in the front of Bappa's face. And the main thing was it should look like it is standing behind Bappa. After that we started putting on grass and Bara Jyotirlings model. So this is how it was looking. This grass are made with green thread. Then together it was, the decoration was coming up, but the main part was the bottom area. we wanted to make a pond. So we took a black plastic cloth and we placed it, and then we started putting on pebbles, water, and our decoration was looking something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. An entire lookbook of this decoration is uploaded on my shorts field. I'll give you the link in the description box below. Don't forget to comment below how did you like our decoration, and let's meet you in the next year. Till then, take care and bye.